Hello, my name is Joan Sebastian Bahamon Salazar, and in this video, I'm going to talk about how to effectively coordinate a successful online project with several international colleagues. This topic is extremely important because many projects are now carried out primarily online. In this video, I will explain the exact strategies that can be used, the problems that are frequently encountered, and how they can be resolved. I will also include two reading answers and two listening answers as required for this activity. Our project involved working with several colleagues from different countries around the world to create a joint proposal. To organize ourselves effectively, it was essential to clearly define tasks for each person, establish a precise timeline, and maintain constant communication as we progress. Thanks to these measures, the collaborative work was carried out successfully and in a more organized manner. Next, I'm going to share the answer from listening about our project.
Update the project timeline so everyone is aware of the new deadlines.
What the previous audio I shared says is very important because it highlights one of the most common problems. Time zone difference, most of the time, meetings or schedule when not everyone can attend. Additional communication should be direct and polite due to cultural difference in language. Next, I'm going to talk about a sort to front reading. Trust among team members must be built through constant and clear communication. This includes tools for better coordination, such as weekly progress meetings, chat updates, and the effective use of shared documents. Uh, all of this allows for real-time monitoring of progress and changes, uh, improving planning, coordination, and organization within the team's project. Next, I'm going to share excerpt to front listening exercise.
Tasks are always completed on time thanks to a well-organized calendar for each team member.
This is very important because it effectively maintains coordinated work, reduces delays, and ensures everyone understand their responsibilities, allowing the project to progress more smoothly. As a personal reflection, communication among everyone was adapted to each different culture through the effective use of appropriate tone and clear messages. Furthermore, the current use of grammar and more advanced vocabulary allowed for the more precise and professional expression of diverse ideas within the team. Ultimately, the proper use of intercultural skills help me in my communication decisions with others, uh, preve- preventing misunderstandings and maintaining strong, uh, professional and respectful collaboration within the time. Thanks for watching.